Hi, this is Trey Jones for Senior Benefit Concepts, and this is the second video in our Medicare Made Easy series. In this video, we'll focus on Medicare Supplement plans and Medicare Advantage plans. Let's get started. At the end of the last video, we looked at some of the things that Parts A and B of Medicare do not cover. These are called coverage gaps. Now we're going to take a look at the products that are designed to fill these gaps and cover what Medicare does not. And there are two types of products for this. First, Medicare Supplement, which is sometimes called Medigap, and second, Medicare Advantage, which is also known as Part C of Medicare. We'll start with Medicare Supplement. The federal Medicare program has designed and standardized 10 Medicare Supplement plans. And you can see those listed on page 101 of this, which is your Medicare and You Handbook for 2016. Every Medicare beneficiary will get one of these. If you haven't received yours yet or you don't have it in front of you, don't worry. I'll share my screen with you here so you can follow along. You can find the Medicare Handbook online by going to Medicare's webpage, which as you see here is www.medicare.gov. And you'll come over to the right side of the screen and mouse over the blue tab that says Forms, Help, and Resources. Don't click, just put your mouse on it, and you'll see a drop-down menu. And then you'll come down here and click on Medicare and You Handbook. Okay, and that will take you to this page. And when you get here, you'll come down, still on the right side of the page, and click on the blue tab that says Download Medicare and You. Over here, Download Medicare and You. And when you do that, it'll give you the option. It says you can see download Medicare and You in different formats. You'll probably want to download it in a PDF form, and you can do it. You can download it in English or Spanish. So once you've downloaded and opened it, this is what it's going to look like. And if we go to page 101, it will list all of the standardized Medicare Supplement plans. Plans A through Plan N. Okay, and let me explain what I mean when I say standardized. The 10 Medicare Supplement plans, which you see here, are designed by the federal Medicare program, but they're provided to you, the Medicare beneficiary, by private insurance companies. These private insurance companies are overseen by Medicare, and they have to follow all of Medicare's guidelines and rules. So as long as you're comparing plans of the same letter notation, there is absolutely no difference as far as what services are covered, the claims that are paid, or the way those claims are paid. The only difference is the price. For example, you could look at 20 different insurance companies that offer a Medicare Supplement Plan G, and the only difference will be price. In fact, if we flip back one page to page 100, we can see here that it says, under the paragraph heading, how do I compare Medigap policies? Different insurance companies may charge different premium rates for the exact same policy. That's why it is so important to work with an independent broker and let them shop all the insurance companies that offer these plans. Also, there are no network restrictions with Medicare Supplement plans. Every hospital, clinic, doctor, or specialty doctor in this country that accepts Medicare will also accept your Medicare Supplement plan, regardless of which private insurance company you bought your plan through. The last thing I'll tell you about Medicare Supplement plans is that you're going to have what's called an open enrollment period. Now, this lasts 6 months, and it begins the first day of the month that you're at least 65 years of age and you have Part B of Medicare. Now, this is very important because during this period, no insurance company that offers Medicare Supplement plans is allowed to turn you down or assign you a higher monthly premium rate based on your health history. Now, after your open enrollment period ends, if you decide to change insurance companies or move to a different supplement plan, they are allowed to take into account your health history and give you a higher monthly premium rate or even turn down your application. Your second option is called Medicare Advantage. It's also known as Part C of Medicare. And the first thing you need to understand about Medicare Advantage is that it actually acts as a replacement for original Medicare. You must use the hospitals and doctors that have accepted the plan's payment structure or are in the plan's provider network. And for a lot of folks, this is not a problem. But if you've got a doctor that you've just got a good, comfortable relationship with, or a doctor that's had a lot of success treating your specific condition, just be aware it is a possibility at some point that doctor would stop accepting your Advantage plan or choose to no longer take part in the provider network. In either case, the only way you could continue to see that doctor is to pay 100% of the bill yourself. With Medicare Advantage, the only way you can access your Medicare benefits is through the Advantage plan. So if your doctor no longer accepts the Advantage plan, that means you can't use your Medicare benefits there either. Medicare Advantage plans will have coinsurance or a copay for most services. For example, $25 every time you see a family doctor or $50 every time you see a specialty doctor. Advantage plans are also going to have a stated maximum out-of-pocket dollar amount, and I've seen this as high as $6,700. Most of our clients are on a fixed income and would have a pretty difficult time budgeting in a large medical bill. Medicare Advantage plans are a viable option for a lot of people. The monthly premium is usually less than that of a supplement plan, and most of these Advantage plans will also roll in prescription drug coverage. On a fixed income, it is very important that you be able to budget, and Medicare Advantage can sometimes make that a little more difficult due to unexpected medical bills. Also, unlike Medicare Supplement, which you can change at any point during the year, the only time you can change Medicare Advantage plans is during the annual election period, which begins October 15th and runs through December 7th every year. The third video in the series, which you can watch by clicking here, will focus on the last part of Medicare, Part D, and this is your prescription drug coverage. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel by clicking here, and you'll receive new useful Medicare videos as they come out. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to call our office at 1-800-520-5560, and we'll be happy to answer them for you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.